Hello guys. In this video we gonna learn how to install Tor browser. So let we start. Use command apt-get to install Tor, and don't forget to use sudo as this grant permission, otherwise permission denied error will prompt on screen and nothing will happen, as seen in this video. So try again with sudo and it started downloading packages. It will not take time and completed within a minute, so wait till it completed. After it we gonna install Tor browser, and before go for Tor you should create or add new user where we will download and install Tor. A question arises here, why we use non-root user but not a root user for Tor? It is because of risk. By accidentally you may download malware or something like that and it will gain root permission, then that could be blunder for you. So we need non-root user. Let's create new user first. But it is still going on. Wait for few seconds more and it will install. Installing done. Clear screen. Let's we check Tor running status. It would be inactive, but most importantly we will got to know it installed or not. Oops, not again. I forgot sudo, but you should not. Let's move forward. We create a new user, named as test. Use __ command to create new user. You can use useradd too, but it may cause some complication in future, so we avoided it here. Enter, 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 and a big yes. Done again. Let's switch user. Enter test username and password to log in. We are completed basics, so now we are ready to install Tor browser. Just open Firefox. Search for Tor. Click on first link. Before clicking make sure website address must be www.torproject.org. It should not .com or .net or something other than .org, is not good to open. Again check the connection should be HTTPS only, not HTTP. Click on download to browser. There are several links are present for downloads, like for Windows, OS X, Linux, Android. We are download for Linux, so click on that. And pop-up will appear, click on save file and wait to complete it. Download complete. Open the directory where this file is downloaded. Now we have to extract this file, so use extract here option to extract it. We can also extract this file using terminal by tar xvjf tar file name.tar, but I am already in directory, so I do it conveniently here. Extraction complete. Now extracted file should be open as the directory, and to do so double click on it. Oops, it is not open as directory, but several options are given for opening file. Basically it's not working here. Now to open as directory, use terminal here. Use cd command to open directory. Locate directory where TOR file is present and open it. Use cd again to open TOR browser file and it will definitely open here. Yes, it opened. And also it converted to directory, and we can check it by going back. So this is listed as directory and it can be opened by double-clicking on it. Let first execute TOR browser from here and then from terminal, and by doing this we can check if it is working or not. Yes, it opened. I am cancelling it from here and try to open same from terminal. Again same window open as previous one. As message shows to connect or configure network. I am not belongs to Egypt, China, Turkey. So I just click on connect. TOR browser installed. Thank you for watching.